take it.
And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe, and 40 on 50 is really the time. Why are you all on my phone like you want me, like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side?
Well, you know what they say.
What a beautiful day. I'm feeling so good. Maybe I just needed a weekend. Maybe that's just it. When you just overwhelmed with the work and the kids and everything else, and I don't know. I feel good now.
I read that.
Let's see. It looks like it's a satellite or a gun, one or the other. Been so stressed out lately, but like hanging out and playing with my boys this Saturday morning is amazing.
Are you ready for change?
No mail. Also, back to the mini Manfrotto.
We could be kings and queens every day. On the low, we are brave. Yes, even braver.
Give him bye-bye.
I want to say hi.
Hey.
My mommy.
Mommy's at mom's. Grandma's, Nana's.
Okay.
Okay. You see that? That's gonna be the reason why you buy the DJI Osmo 3. That first person view. Just imagine just stepping into someone's physical life for 1 minute, maybe 2. What it feels like to be them. You all remember playing Halo. That's what this is.
So let's go, start the race. We should be kings and queens every day. You've been trying to find your crown. Happy camper through the ups and downs. Keeping calm, winning ground. Let's build castles now. We'll make gold on our way up through them trees before
with my brother. Today is the day I review the DJI Osmo. We're here, time to lift forward to the heart of downtown. Required a lot of setup time, and in filmmaking, time is of the essence. So like me meeting with you, me pulling this out for 3 minutes takes time. And so if you can't figure out how to fit that in your regular day-to-day life, I'm gonna try to run, see how it does. All right, this is an example of the run in first person. Let's go. Okay, up on the typical roof spot. This thing is not balanced with Joby Pod right now, so I'm gonna leave it on here for like 2 seconds. But here are my initial thoughts of how to use the Osmo Mobile 3 in your day-to-day. Not like on a rooftop, but in like just the regular. All right, here's how I see you using the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 in your practical day life. The first person view is amazing. It works with you just like it's you. So you literally can do it to do whatever actions you usually do in your regular day life. And it's smooth enough to know what you're doing as your movements go. And it follows your hand to do that. So I'm not gonna go out there, I'm gonna stay right here. And the reason why I suggest this over doing these crazy time lapses or hyper lapses is because this is more normal. This is what you're gonna do regularly. A lot of people don't see that first person view in your vlogs and your films. And the thing that I'm thinking of is like Bourne Identity or Bourne Supremacy, where you see what he sees and then you switch to kind of like some jittery footage. Like you can see my hand right here over top, and it gives you that feeling. You're feeling you're in the world of that person for 1 minute or 2 minutes or whatever that is. It's also close enough to you so the audio is already good. And this is literally what it feels like to be me right now, Saturday, August 31st. Now I'm going to show you some less common things that you do with the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 that are highly hyped up and done. They're awesome, they're cool, but unless your day is adventure all day long, you're probably not going to get out and do them as often as you'd like. This is another thing that you can do. This is literally running first person view. This will give give you a good idea of how shaky it is running at a very high, like, I don't know, sprint, jog, whatever you want to call it. This is me walking first person, doing the ninja walk, and this is me regular walking first person. Gotta go pay this meter, then that second rooftop over there. Tony in the vlog. No ticket.
Hey Siri, play music.
Dropping baby board off at the van. Alright, back at the car. This next clip is literally going to be me using the DJI Osmo in first person view, walking just through the cities of Asheville to my next location. The next bit of this is going to be this guy getting time lapse. Alright, so as that's doing its thing in the back, I literally set it for 5 minutes for the time lapse. It's going from all the way to the Grove Park Inn, all the way over here. I'm gonna wrap it there. You guys saw the DJI Osmo 3 today, kind of practical use of how to use it, because you're not always on a rooftop, you're not always flying a drone. You need to be able to use it in your day-to-day life for it to not be a gimmick and not be just something you pull out 5 or 10% of the time. Like I said, always use, your camera, your mic. That's your meat and potatoes. And then after that, all this extra gear, the drone, the gimbal, you don't need it, but it's nice to have. All right, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.